Mishka, you want to play with marbles? Trevor, you think Mishka likes marbles?
No, she doesn't.
She doesn't like marbles?
Mm-mm.
What do you got over there?
Marbles.
It's your marble set?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a lot of stuff to put together. Mishka, do you like marbles? You love marbles? She does.
She does.
Does Leica love marbles?
Yes.
Hey Mishka, what's your favorite thing about marbles? What's your favorite thing about marbles, Mishka? Is it that they're round? No? Is it that they're made of glass? No? Is it that they roll, Mishka? You like that? They roll. They do, you're right. She's smart, isn't she, Cho? Subscribe. Good girl. Good girl.